Hello students, next in continuation with limit and continuity, third example, find delta so that mod of fx minus 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 10 for 0 less than mod x minus 1 by 2 less than delta, where fx equals to 1 minus x over 1 plus x, comma 0 less than x less than 1. That is, we are to find a number delta which satisfies this condition. Fx minus 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 10 whenever x minus 1 by 2 mod is less than delta. So solution, first of all, what is fx minus 1 by 3 mod? We put the value of fx. After solving, we get minus 4x plus 2 over 3 into 1 plus x. Now let us see, here it is x minus 1 by 2. So try to make it x minus 1 by 2. So how we can make it x minus 1 by 2? We have to take minus 4 common. When we take minus 4 common, it will be x minus 1 by 2 over 3 into 1 plus x as it is. Again, let us see. Here minus 4x plus 2, we have to make it x minus 1 by 2. So what we have to do, we have to take minus 4 common. So we take minus 4 common, here it is x minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2 over 3 into 1 plus x modulus. So this is minus 4 upon 3 into 1 plus x mod into x minus 1 by 2 mod. Mod is always positive, so remove the minus sign. 4 over 3 into 1 plus x. I remove mod from this I explain now. This is x minus 1 by 2 as it is mod. Call it equation first. Why I have removed the mod sign from here? So this is where mod 1 plus x is 1 plus x, call it 2, because we are given 0 less than x less than 1, because x is positive, therefore 1 plus x is also positive, therefore we can remove the modulus sign from 1 plus x. So fx minus 1 by 3 mod is equals to 4 over 3 into 1 plus x into modulus of x minus 1 by 2. We have call it equation 1, and mod 1 plus x equals to 1 plus x, call it equation 2. Now fx minus 1 by 3 mod is less than 1 by 2 for 0 less than x minus 1 by 2 less than delta. We have to find delta. Now I use 1 in place of this. I have written this 4 over 3 into 1 plus x into x minus 1 by 2 mod less than 1 by 10 for 0 less than mod x minus 1 by 2 less than delta. Now what we will do, we will take it towards the right hand side. So we can take it towards the right hand side because from equation 2 this 1 plus x is positive, so therefore whenever we multiply with the positive quantity, the equality remains as it is. So in the next step it will be x minus 1 by 2 mod is less than 3 over 3 into 1 plus x over 40 because of 2. Because 1 plus x, the mod is positive. Now if I take delta equal to, now let us see what is happening here. Here x minus 1 by 2 is less than delta. Here also I get x minus 1 by 2, and here is the number 3 by 40. So a quiet judgment gives us, if we take delta 3 by 40, if we take delta equal to 3 by 40, then x minus 1 by 2 mod is less than 3 by 40. So we have taken delta equal to 3 by 40. It implies x minus 1 by 2 mod is less than 3 into 1 plus x upon 40. This is because 0 less than x less than 1, it means 1 plus x is less than 2, means this quantity is greater than 1. This quantity is greater, I have added 1 to each of the terms. So 1 is less than 1 plus x is less than 2, it means this quantity is just greater than 1. So x minus 1 by 2 mod is less than 3 into 1 plus x upon 40. So I can write it as 1 by 10 into 3 by 4 into 1 plus x. Means, now take it towards this side, 4 over 3 into 1 plus x into is less than 1 by 10. Again by 1, due to 1, fx minus 1, this was fx minus 1 by 3 by equation 1. So therefore delta equal to 3 by 40 is the answer to this problem. Next example, fx equals to 2 plus x if x is a rational number, 2.5 minus x if x is a irrational number. Show that limit x tends to 0.25, fx is 2.25. Limit x tends to 0.25, fx is equals to 2.25. To prove solution. So these type of questions are of bridging type. That is, for rational numbers the value of fx is different and value of fx when x is irrational is different. So for all epsilon positive, choose delta positive such that fx minus 2.25 is less than epsilon for 0 less than x minus 2.5 less than delta. Here this is the value of L, this is the value of C. So fx minus L less than epsilon for 0 less than x minus C mod less than delta. Now case first, x belongs to the domain of L. Case first, x is a rational number, so it implies fx equals to 2 plus x. So I may call it equation 1. So put in 1, we get 2 plus x for 0 less than x minus 0.25 mod less than delta. So it implies this is again x minus 0.25, 2 minus 2.5, 2 minus 2.25 is 0.25. So means delta equals to epsilon. So therefore choose delta equals to epsilon because these two quantities are same. We find that limit exists. So for case of rational numbers, this limit exists. Further case 2, when x is irrational. When x is irrational, in this case fx is 2.5 minus x. So again use 1, we get 2.5 minus x less than epsilon for 0 this is 2.5 minus 2.25, this is 0.25 minus x. So take minus common. So this again mod will cancel out the minus sign. Again these two quantities are same, therefore we can choose delta equals to epsilon. Therefore limit exists. These two quantities are same, therefore we can choose delta equals to epsilon. So therefore the limit of this function exists. Therefore from both cases limit x tends to 0.25, fx is equals to 2.25. So next some problems for solving. Go review. So first, use definition to show that limit x tends to minus 1, 3x plus 1 equals to minus 2. Second, find delta so that fx minus 1 mod is less than 1 by 5 for x minus 2 less than delta. X minus 2 mod less than delta, where fx equals to x minus 1. Fx equals to x minus 1. Third, show that limit x tends to 0, fx equals to 0, where f of x is x if x belongs to rational numbers, minus x if x belongs to irrational numbers. So these questions you have to do. Thank you.